Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to create new account in Clash of Clans. So let's get started. To create a second account, click on gear icon here. Next, click on connected here. Next, click on gear icon here. Scroll down and click on logout here. Then click on confirm here. Now when you successfully logged out, click on play without Supercell ID. Next, click on cancel. When you are ready, click on gear icon here to go to the settings. And then click on disconnected here. Next, click on get started here. Next, click on register a Supercell ID here. Next, click on continue. Now enter your email address and then click on register button here. Then you will receive a verification code on your email address. Enter that code here and then click on submit here. Your game account is now connected to Supercell ID. Click on OK, then click on Continue. Next, choose your avatar, and then click on Continue. And that's it. Your second account is created successfully. You can easily switch accounts here. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.